give me a home where the buffalo roam and the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word and the skies are not cloudy all day. Loog Nation! Yeehaw! Well, hey there, Loog Nation. It's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. And today we're working on Home on the Range, as you can tell, a cowboy classic and one that's easy to learn and very fast to pick up. And as you can see, we only have 3 chords that we're playing, so let's get into it. Learn those chords and learn how to play this song. Ready? Hey, Beat, are you ready? Yeehaw! Good job, Beat. Let's go! Okay, we have 3 chords in this song. We have a D, a G, and an A. And I like this song because it challenges us to play our D chord better, and we hold that chord a lot in this song. D is the most challenging because we have 3 fingers. First finger, second finger, and third finger. And as you can see here, I'm using these 2 fingers to play the outer strings on the 2nd fret. I've got my first finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret and my second finger on the 1st string 2nd fret. And then my ring finger comes over the top of the 1st string onto the 2nd string 3rd fret. And I don't know if you can see from here, but I'm really trying to put my thumb behind my fingers on the neck, and I'm really pushing my wrist that way, like kind of away from me, so I get a nice kind of angle. I call this, with the little ones, I call this a kung fu crane, right? I want to be able to get this shape of my hand swooping underneath, so I've got a nice push of the wrist, a nice angle going on like that. This is very helpful for chords, especially if you're new at playing the Loog. So this gives us lift, and this helps us reach these strings easily. There we go. D. The next chord is very easy after that. We have a G. It's just our 3rd finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. G. Try and remember it like G on 3, right? G on 3. Great. And then the other chord is an A. And I'm using my 2 middle fingers, right? Rock and roll. To play the 3rd string and the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. Again, I'm really looking for that lift, right? And get our fingers up on top so we get nice clean sounds. A, D, G, and A. Those are our chords. Okay, let's get to our strumming. So we're counting in 3 in this song. It's a waltz. A lot of cool old cowboy classic songs are waltzes. And we're counting to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thanks, Pete. That's helpful, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's our strum. You could play just that if you want. Here's an advanced version. You could play down, down, up, down, up. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. So those are 2 options for you. We have our standard 3 beats, quarter notes, down, 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 or this more advanced strum, which is a quarter note and 2 sets of 1/8 notes, down, up, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and... Awesome! That's all you need to be able to play this song. Oh, wait, there's one more thing we need, is the chord progression. Here we go. D is what we start on. So that's, oh, give me a home where the, and then we have a change to G, the buffalo roam, and the deer, back to D, and the antelope play is on A. Play A. Yeah. Where, back to D, seldom is heard. A discouraging word, that's G. And the back to D, sky is not cloudy. A, all day. D. Great. So there's your order. And now we have the chorus, or the main hook of the song, right? Goes like this. D. Home, home on the range. There's another way to do that. You could go home, home on the range. So you're going D, A, D. And that's your player's choice. You could do either. Where the deer and the antelope play. Notice it's a little different. We're just staying D to A. Where seldom is heard a discouraging word. That's that G change. Back to D. On the skies are not a cloudy all D day. Alright, so that's the order. And if you need to, play all that back so you can watch it again and again and really try and memorize the progression of the song. Cool! That's all you need to be able to play this song. Let's do a play along together. I'm going to do quarter notes. But you, please challenge yourself if you want and try and play the quarter note, eighth note combination. Beat is going to be here with your chord changes. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam and the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Hey, all right, how'd you do? Yeah, that was really fun. Thank you for all your help. Yeah, Beat was great. I hope you were great at this. This is a fun, easy song to learn, and I want you to be able to play easy songs at the beginning of learning so that when you get better, you can play more complicated songs. Well, that was it for today. I'm Mr. Will. That's my buddy Beat. We're here every Thursday at Loog Nation with a new video for you. So hit that subscribe button so you don't forget to check in. And also, if you have a song that you love and you want to learn how to play, and you want to play it on the Loog, leave it in the comments below. I'm so excited that you're a part of this Loog Nation community and learning how to play the Loog with us. Yeah, we'll see you next time.